Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today we will discuss important current affairs of May month. This is part 4. We already covered 3 parts. Total 150 questions we discuss. In this session we also discuss 50 questions. So please watch remaining videos also. Let's start the session. First question. Name the first Indian state which has announced to provide free and cashless insurance protection to people. And the answer is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is the first state in our country. It provides free and cashless insurance protection for people. The present CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray and the governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next question. Which Indian metro city has registered the highest number of internet users in accordance with the study by Internet and Mobile Association of India? And the answer is Mumbai. So according to the Internet and Mobile Association of India, Mumbai metro city has registered the highest number of internet users, and also the headquarters of Internet and Mobile Association of India is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next question. Which division of Southern Railways partnered with Kerala Circle of Postal Department for door delivery and pickup parcels to help public during the lockdown? And the answer is Thiruvananthapuram. So recently Southern Railways has partnered with Thiruvananthapuram Postal Department for door delivery and pickup parcels during this lockdown. The present CM of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan and the governor is Arif Mohammad Khan. Next question. Name the organization which has launched musical creation United We Fight, written and composed by Joey Alvarez. Recently, Joey Alvarez has written and composed one song which is named United We Fight. This is launched by ICCR. ICCR stands for Indian Council for Cultural Relations, and the headquarters of this ICCR is located in New Delhi, and present president is Vinay Sahasrabuddhe. Next, what is the amount that was allocated from PM CARES Fund Trust to fight COVID-19 pandemic? So for this COVID-19 pandemic, Union government has created PM CARES Fund. PM CARES Fund full form is Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations. Full form is important. Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations. For this PM CARES Fund, total 3,100 crore was allocated. Next, name the Indian state or union territory which has planned to provide tap connection to supply water to all rural families by December 2022 under the Jal Jeevan Mission. And the answer is both 1 and 3. So Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir. These two are planned to provide tap connection to supply water to all rural families by the end of December 2022 under the Jal Jeevan Mission. And the present Jal Shakti Minister is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Next question. What will be the criteria for medium units as per the new definition of MSMEs? So recently government has created Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan package. In this package total 20 lakh crore allocated. Under this project government will modify MSME criteria. That changes are for micro units, the institution's investment is 1 crore and the turnover is 5 crore. For small industries, the investment is 10 crore and the turnover is 50 crores. For medium institutions, the investment is 20 crore and the turnover is 100 crores. So these are the recently changed in MSME definition. So for the medium, answer is the investment is 20 crore and the turnover is 100 crores. And the EPF contribution is reduced for business workers for 3 months from existing 12% to how much percent? For all establishments covered by EPFO. EPFO stands for Employee Provident Fund Organization, and the answer is 10%. So recently EPF contribution was reduced 12% to 10% for 3 months. Next, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced how much amount of collateral free emergency credit line for MSME, and the answer is 3 lakh crore. So recently Nirmala Sitharaman has announced 3 lakh crore collateral free emergency credit line to the MSME. MSME stands for micro, small, medium enterprises. Next, name the ministry which has launched Goal. Goal means going online as leaders. It is partnership with Facebook, and the answer is Tribal Affairs Minister. So recently, Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda has partnership with Facebook and launched Goal initiative. Goal full form is going online as leaders. Next, the Union Health and Family Minister Harshavardhan has dedicated COVID-19 testing machine to the nation. What is that machine? And the answer is Cobus 6800. So Cobus 6800 is the COVID-19 testing mission. Recently, Health Minister it is dedicated to the nation. Next, the police of which state or union territory has got first thermal corona combat headgear to ensure the safety of frontline warriors and enforce social distancing? And the answer is Delhi. So Delhi is the first union territory which got thermal corona combat headgear. The present CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and the governor is Anil Baijal. Next, what is the fall in amount of CO2 emissions in India in the fiscal year ended in March 2020 as per environmental website Carbon Brief? So as per the environmental website, total 30 metric tons carbon CO2 emissions has ended in the March 2020 fiscal year. Next, which Indian State Education Department has partnered with Doordarshan to provide school education to students of the state through video lectures? And the answer is Jharkhand. So recently Jharkhand state has partnered with Doordarshan to provide school education to students through video lectures. Next, the central government has allocated how many crores to the agriculture infrastructure projects at farm gate and aggregation points? The fund will be financed and managed by NABARD. So recently central government has allocated total 1 lakh crore for agriculture infrastructure projects, and this fund is financed and managed by NABARD. NABARD headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present chairman is Govindarajulu Chintala, and the NABARD full form is National Agriculture Bank and Rural Development. Next question. The central government has allocated 20,000 crores for the development of marine and inland fisheries under which scheme? And the answer is Pradhana Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. So under Pradhana Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, government has allocated 20,000 crore rupees for the development of marine and inland fisheries. Next, central government has announced to raise the FDI limit. FDI stands for Foreign Direct Investment in Defense Manufacturing. Previously it was 49% and recently it is increased to 74%. So FDI limit in defense manufacturing has increased to 49% to 74%. Next, what is the additional fund allocated for Manrega to provide employment to boost in the country? And the answer is 40,000 crores. So total 40,000 crores will be additional fund allocated for Manrega scheme. Manrega stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It is the employment scheme. So total 40,000 crores allocated. Next, in which state first kind of initiative Charan Paduka campaign started to provide shoes or slippers for the migrant laborers passing through the state? So recently Madhya Pradesh government has launched Charan Paduka campaign. Under this campaign, government will provide shoes or slippers for migrant laborers. The present CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the governor is Lalji Tandon. Next question. Name the program which has launched online education from 1 to inter announced under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, and the answer is PM E-Vidya. So PM E-Vidya program has launched under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It is the online education program. Next, name the sector which has launched first cyber security accelerator for startups in India, and the answer is Karnataka. So recently Karnataka government has launched Hack. It is the cyber security accelerator. So Hack cyber security accelerator, it is launched by Karnataka government. The present CM of Karnataka is BS Yediyurappa. Next question. How many cities has got 5-star rating in star rating of garbage free cities list, which is released by Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry? And the answer is 6. Total 5-star cities have got 6 cities, and 3-star rating has got 65 cities, 1-star rating has got 70 cities. So total 5-star cities have 5-star rating has got 6 cities, and 1-star rating has got 70 cities, and 3-star rating has got 65 cities. It is released by Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry. Present Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry is Hardeep Singh Puri. Next, the Indian Railways has operationalized first 1200 HP electric made in India locomotive named VAC 12. It is manufactured by which company? And the answer is Madhepura Electric Locomotive. It is located in Bihar. So Madhepura Electric Locomotive Private Limited has named VAC 12. It is first 1200 HP electric made locomotive. Next, in which district Tatpar program is launched to help migrant workers to get back to their native places? And the answer is Ranchi. Ranchi, it is in Jharkhand. So recently Ranchi district has launched Tatpar program. It helps migrant workers to get back to their native places. This district has provided buses. Next, Me Annapurna is the initiative. It is launched for farmers' welfare across which state? And the answer is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra government has launched Me Annapurna initiative for the farmers' welfare. The present CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Next, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has launched 100% solarization of Konark Sun Temple. The Sun Temple, Konark Sun Temple, is located in which state? And the answer is Odisha. So recently Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Raj Kumar Singh, he launched the scheme 100% solarization of Konark Sun Temple. The Konark Sun Temple, it is located in Odisha. The present CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Next, in which Indian state Women Rural Livelihood Mission started Didi vehicle service for rural women for the safe delivery and other emergency services? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So recently Madhya Pradesh government has launched Didi vehicle service for rural women for the safe delivery and other emergency services. Next, name the state or union territory which has released the report Conservation of Endemic Threatened Floras. And the answer is Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand is the first state in our country. It is released Conservation of Endemic Threatened Floras. The present CM of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Next, name the first Indian state which has granted industry status to sports recently to boost the sports sector. And the answer is Mizoram. So Mizoram is the first state in our country which is granted industry status for sports. Next, the present CM of Mizoram is Zoram Tanga. Next question. How many crores have been allocated for beekeeping by the central government under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan? And the answer is 500 crores. So total 500 crores have been allocated for beekeeping under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. And every year we celebrated World Bee Day on May 20. And this year this Bee Day theme is Be Engaged. Next, name the world organization which is partnership with International Council of Nurses and Nursing and released the report The State of World's Nursing 2020 report. And the answer is World Health Organization. So recently International Council of Nurses and World Health Organization has released The State of the World's Nursing 2020 report. The headquarters of World Health Organization is located in Geneva, Switzerland, and the present Director General is Tedros Adhanom. Next, according to the report of UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Organization, what will be the decline in international tourism compared to 2019? And the answer is 60 to 80%. So according to the United Nations World Tourism Organization, compared to 2019, this year the tourism was declined 60 to 80%. Next, According to the World Health Organization Global Nutrition Report, India is one among 88 countries to miss global nutrition target set by. So the answer is 2025. So World Health Organization has set the target of nutrition target by 2025, and recently World Health Organization report said that India is missed this target. Next, name the country which has named one of its states after Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore on his 159th birth anniversary. And the answer is Israel. Israel has renamed its street after Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore on his 159th birth anniversary. Guys, comment your answer when which day we celebrated as the birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore. And the capital of Israel is Jerusalem, and the currency is shekel. Next, Keva Bain has been elected as the 73rd session of the World Health Assembly president. He belongs to which country? And the answer is Bahamas. So recently Bahamas Keva Bain has elected as the president of 73rd session of the World Health Assembly. For this assembly, chairman is our health minister Harshavardhan. She is president. Our chairman is our health minister Harshavardhan. Next, India has set up military war game center named India recently at which country? And the answer is Uganda. So India has set up a military war game in Uganda which is named as India. The capital of Uganda is Kampala, and the currency is shilling. The capital of Kenya is Nairobi. The capital of Rwanda is Kigali. The capital of Congo is Kinshasa. Next, name the Indian state which has launched National Scholarship Online Portal Mukhyamantri Yuva Yogya Yog Yojana, and the answer is Tripura. So recently Tripura government has launched Mukhyamantri Yuva Yogya Yog Yojana. It is one of the national scholarship online portal. Next, Gujarat government has launched Atmanirbhar Gujarat Sahay Yojana to provide loans to the small business. Who is the CM of Gujarat? And the answer is Vijay Rupani. So recently Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani has launched Atmanirbhar Gujarat Sahaya Yojana. And Ashok Gehlot is the CM of Rajasthan, and Hemant Soren is the CM of Jharkhand. Next, which Indian state has rolled out Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana? And the answer is Chhattisgarh. So recently Chhattisgarh government has launched Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana. This scheme is for farmers. The present CM of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel, and the governor is Anasuya Ukhi. Next question. Name the bank which has launched Vikas Abhyas scheme to provide relief to the MSME borrowers. And the answer is Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. So recently Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank has launched Vikas Abhyas scheme. This scheme is for MSME borrowers, micro, small, medium enterprises. And the headquarters of Karnataka is located in Dharwad, Karnataka. Next, name the private sector bank which has partnered with MoneyGram payment system for direct to bank deposits in India. And the answer is Federal Bank. So recently Federal Bank has tie up with MoneyGram payment system for direct to bank deposits in India. The headquarters of Federal Bank is located in Aluva, Kerala. And present CEO of Federal Bank is Shyam Srinivasan. The headquarters of UCO Bank is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. The headquarters of Axis Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The headquarters of IndusInd Bank is located in Pune, Maharashtra. Next, the central government along with which state has signed two loan agreements of $145 million with World Bank and AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, for the worth of $413.8 million for irrigation and flood management projects. And the answer is West Bengal. So West Bengal government has signed MOU with World Bank with $145 million and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank with $145 million for irrigation flood management project. The present CM of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. and the headquarters of World Bank is located in Washington DC, US, and the present president of World Bank is David Malpass, and AIIB headquarters is located in Beijing, China, and present president is Jin Liqin. Next, to which Indian state NABARD has sanctioned 1500 crores to ensure continuous credit flow to farmers through state cooperative banks? And the answer is Punjab. So recently NABARD has sanctioned 1500 crores to the Punjab to ensure continuous credit flow to farmers through state cooperative banks. Next, the Canara Bank has launched a special business vertical dedicated for gold loans to meet the financial need of its customers recently. Who is the MD and CEO of Canara Bank? And the answer is LV Prabhakar. So MD and CEO of Canara Bank is LV Prabhakar. Recently Canara Bank has launched a vertical dedicated for gold loan scheme. The headquarters of Canara Bank is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Next question. What is the amount that was extended by NABARD to cooperative banks and regional rural banks as special liquidity facility recently? And the answer is 20,500 crores. So recently NABARD has extended 20,500 crore rupees for cooperative banks and RRBs, regional rural banks, as special liquidity facility. Next, name the first bank in India to introduce video KYC facility for saving account customers, and the answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So recently Kotak Mahindra Bank is the first bank in our country which is introduced video KYC facility for saving account customers. Headquarters of Axis Bank, Yes Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the headquarters of IndusInd Bank is Pune, Maharashtra. Next, to which bank RBI has infused 15,000 crores line of credit loan for 90 days? So the answer is Exim Bank. So recently RBI has infused 15,000 crores for Exim Bank. The headquarters of Exim Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present CEO is David Rashkinha. Next, what is the grant that was announced for emergency operations by World Bank for 100 developing countries? And the answer is $160 billion. So recently World Bank has announced $160 billion loan for 100 developing countries. Next, name the company which has partnered with the CIFCL, Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited, to launch Buy Now Pay Later financing scheme. And the answer is Maruti Suzuki India. So recently Maruti Suzuki India has partnered with Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company to launch Buy Now Pay Later scheme. Next, name the present Economic Affairs Secretary of India who has been appointed as the director on the Central Board of RBI. And the answer is Tarun Bajaj. So recently Economic Affairs Secretary Tarun Bajaj has appointed as the director on the Central Board of RBI. The present governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das, and the headquarters of RBI is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the establishment year of RBI is 1935. So guys, total we covered 200 questions of May month. So these 200 questions are very important, so please watch remaining videos also. So if you want quiz or PDF based on this video, join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe our channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel. Thank you for watching the video.